Here's Fonts Art app, and if you tap on settings in top right, here you have keyboard settings, and then you can enable different languages, fonts, sticker fonts, whatever you want, additional languages. And then what you need to do to enable the keyboard, you just go to settings, and then you just go to font art, and then here you just go to keyboards and you enable fonts art keyboard. If you want to, you can also allow full access, and then you will help developers of this app to build this keyboard. And then if you just go to any app, you can just enable fonts art keyboard like this. And this is how it looks like. So then you can just use it in your Instagram captions, in your TikTok. And there are different types of fonts, but probably you will need to upgrade for majority of them, especially if it is some cool font. You will need to upgrade like that. What's Fonts Pro? It's $4.99 per week after 3-day trial. After renewable, cancel anytime. So that's basically it. So that's what you can have here. Hope this is helpful.